To solve this equation using the square root method, we want to isolate x. So we're going to take the square root of x squared. And when we do that, we have to do the same thing on the other side of the equal sign to keep our equation equivalent. So now the square root of x squared, the squared and the square root cancel. So we're just going to have x remaining equals the square root of negative 64. Now we want to evaluate this square root, and whenever you have the square root of a negative number, let's separate that by saying the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 64. And that works because we know that negative 1 times 64 is negative 64. So the square root of negative 1 is I, and then we have the square root of 64, which is 8. So x equals I times 8, so our final answer is x equals 8i.